And just a quick reminder of how to actually do your course copy, which is really quite easy. Go into the section, the empty course that you're looking to load the content into. So this is one of the sections for NURS 302. It's empty. I can see because there's no widgets on the main screen here, right? When I click on course home, it's completely empty other than the fact that there are students loaded in the course already. That's okay, but there's no content in the course yet. So I'm in my empty course. I'm going to go up to Course Tools, Course Admin, Import, Export, Copy Components. You're going to come right here and do Search for Offering. What am I looking to load into here? In the search bar, do your course. So I'm going to do 302 Design. Here it is, my 302 Design. Click the little box to say that's what I'm looking to copy in. Do Add Selected. That is now saying that you're going to copy 302 Design into this empty course. I'm going to do Copy All Components. And it takes, maybe 30 seconds or so for it to do this whole processing. And I'm going to actually wait on the video so that you can see that it accurately brings everything over. Great. Then once it says copy complete, all you do is go back to your course homepage. You don't have to click anything here. Just go back to your course homepage and you'll see that your design course is now loaded into the empty course. Hope you find that helpful.